good scam.
What? It can't be a scam. Look at everybody that's here. It's all elite, people that work hard, and cash flow is one of them.
Maybe it is, maybe it's not.
While Forex still remains the largest financial market in the world with an average daily trading volume of over $6.6 trillion. There's a reason why Forex is the largest market in the world. It empowers everyone from central banks to retail investors to potentially see profits from currency fluctuations related to the global economy. Banks are the main players in the Forex market, accounting for over 50% of the daily trading volume. The world's largest foreign exchange market is based in London, the capital of the United Kingdom. Based on the latest stats, in 2022, 38.1% of all foreign exchange market turnover is made in London. As the largest currency trading market, London has a daily average of around $7 trillion per day by average. The increment rate in this rate was 11% and 10%, respectively, for the Hong Kong and the New York markets. However, the same rate slumped by 5% for the Singapore market. If you weren't already aware, there is a trading revolution going on in Africa. Africans are getting more active in the markets, especially on Forex, and the reasons for this are as interesting as they are diverse. While Forex trading has been a popular path for many years, the global growth of FX trading over the past decade is nothing short of mind-blowing. The shift has arguably been no more evident than in Africa, where the trading community has now swelled to over 1.3 million people. FX trading in Africa has gained a lot of attention across the continent and further afield. The changing face of Africa's Forex trading landscape presents a number of opportunities but also faces several obstacles. Nonetheless, it is clear that the continent's influence on the global foreign exchange market will continue to grow. The growth of Forex trading in recent years has been nothing short of spectacular, but it arguably shouldn't be that surprising. Firstly, the market is open 24/7, removing any barriers linked to time zones. Meanwhile, FX trading offers African citizens across multiple nations to capitalize on global financial developments, something that has proved difficult in other markets. Whether trading ZAR or other currencies, the foreign exchange market isn't limited to supporting African traders. Trading enthusiasts from around the globe who have kept an eye on developments on the continent of Africa will be keen to embrace online trading, using market fluctuations to hopefully create secondary income streams and boost their wealth management strategies. The continent is changing in many ways, and advances in infrastructure development, especially when it comes to communications, certainly have something to do with the increasing popularity of Forex trading. However, many other factors may also be at play here, including improved access to online trading platforms like MetaTrader 5. Let's take a look at some of the reasons why Forex trading is growing in popularity in African countries. Market volatility increased interest in Forex trading across the board. One thing that is bringing a lot of new people to the foreign market, including in Africa, is the high volatility of the markets. This volatility is mainly the result of the turmoil caused by the pandemic and all the financial restrictions that have surrounded it. The war in Ukraine is further increasing volatility, which allows savvy traders to make profits on swing movements, whether negative or positive. Couple this with the fact that opening a Forex account and starting trading is extremely easy and doesn't require much capital. This makes Forex the single most democratic market and allows people with the most modest of means to participate. AAS at a vast scale, smartphones and tablets have taken over the continent, and the internet is becoming more accessible. Wireless internet technology has allowed countries to increase access to the internet very fast, and brokers do a great job at making their trading platforms as mobile-friendly as possible. Online trading platforms enable people to trade from virtually any computer, no matter the model, type, or age. This allows people with outdated computers and Chromebooks, which are extremely popular on the continent, as well as people who access the internet through internet cafes, to fully participate in trading. Having a thorough understanding of little-known markets and currency pairs is a massive advantage in Forex trading. Africans with inside knowledge of developments across the continents, whether it's natural resource discovery, conflicts, infrastructure development, shifting political climates, or changes in fiscal policy, can capitalize on price movements and identify opportunities other traders weren't even aware were there. Movements can also be much starker and more evident on lesser-known pairs and currencies, which makes timing easier in many cases. Advertisement. Scroll to continue READI. Another factor that needs to be considered is the increasing financial literacy of the people on the continent thanks to various programs, better schooling, and talent coming from abroad. Forex platforms themselves like to educate traders, and African traders are taking full advantage of these resources, using them as a proxy for a more expensive and less accessible formal education. It's difficult to say for certain, as reliable data on Forex trading is hard to come by. However, there are a few countries that stand out as having particularly active Forex trading communities. One of these countries is South Africa. According to the latest data from the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, South Africa accounts for around 7% of the total global Forex market. This is a significant figure, considering that South Africa's population is only around 1% of the world's total population. There are several reasons why Forex trading has become so popular in South Africa. Firstly, the country has a well-developed financial sector, with a number of reputable brokers and trading platforms operating in the market. This has made it relatively easy for South Africans to get started with Forex trading. Secondly, South Africa has a high level of internet penetration, with around 60% of the population having access to the internet. This has made it easier for people to access trading platforms and educational resources online. Finally, South Africa has a strong culture of entrepreneurship, and many people see Forex trading as a way to build wealth and achieve financial independence. This has led to a growing community of Forex traders who share knowledge and support each other in their trading endeavors. Another country with a significant Forex trading community is Nigeria. According to some estimates, there are around 300,000 active Forex traders in Nigeria, making it one of the largest Forex markets in Africa. Like South Africa, Nigeria has a well-developed financial sector, with a number of local and international brokers operating in the market. The country also has a large and growing middle class, many of whom are looking for ways to invest and grow their wealth. However, there are also some challenges to Forex trading in Nigeria. One of these is the lack of regulation in the market, which has led to some unscrupulous brokers and traders taking advantage of inexperienced investors. Additionally, there are concerns about the high levels of leverage that some brokers offer to Nigerian traders. While leverage can be a useful tool for experienced traders, it can also lead to large losses for those who don't fully understand the risks involved. Other African countries with active Forex trading communities include Kenya, Ghana, and Egypt. In Kenya, Forex trading has become popular among young people who are looking for ways to make money online. The country has a growing fintech sector, with a number of mobile-based trading platforms catering to this market. In Ghana, Forex trading is popular among both retail investors and institutional investors. The country has a well-developed financial sector, with a number of banks and brokerage firms offering Forex trading services. Finally, in Egypt, Forex trading is growing in popularity as the country looks to diversify its economy away from oil and gas. The government has introduced a number of reforms aimed at attracting foreign investment, and Forex trading is seen as one way to achieve this. In conclusion, Africans are getting more active in the Forex markets and in markets in general, and this is good news. We can expect more to keep coming as internet penetration rates continue to grow and more Africans learn about the virtues of currency trading. Be sure to like and leave a comment on this revolution, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. God bless you.